Sorry if I ever took a sniff at your land. So what have we got tonight, mates?
Root canal!
Ew! Has he loosened the periodontal ligament?
Shoot! He's not your fish. He's going to my Darla.
Darla! Oh no!
What's wrong with her?
Every year she gets a fish.
And every year she shakes the bag.
And every year that fish goes belly up. She's a fish killer!
Big girl, I need my dad. I gotta get back to my dad. Dad!
Hey, kid! You'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we've got a hit. I promise, we will all get out as long as we can swim. Together, we swim.
Together, and together we'll get out of here as a group.
I believe we can.
Yeah, well, what's the plan?
We're gonna jam the filter and fill this tank with poop.
How?
When this kid jams the filter, the tank will get filthy and the dentist will have to clean it. We'll put us in the individual bags and we'll roll out the window into the ocean.
Oh, poop that through me.
That is you.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
What do we do?
We swim.
Right!
No singing, please. Now that song's gonna be stuck in my head.
Look, there's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Wave Sydney. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask.
Yay, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
We all are good.
But
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. See, just keep swimming. Move your tail and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad. Then poof, the moment is gone. And what do? We just keep swimming on. P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way. Sydney, P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way. Sydney,
wait a minute, I'm trying to talk to you.
Wallaby Way. Sydney, P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way.
Stop! Look, you've been really great. And I appreciate all of the little things you've done.
Well, thanks.
But perhaps I think it's best if you and I gave this a rest.
Huh?
How about you stay here while I go and find my son?
Wait, come back. Don't leave me on my own.
Sorry, but I really want to carry on alone.
Hey, lady, is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember. Were you?
No. Do you guys know how I can get to P-Sherman?
Pal, I was talking to the lady.
Fine.
These young fellas, he lost his son Fabio.
Nemo!
Any of you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Sydney!
What you gotta do is follow the EAC. That's the East Australian Current. Big current, can't miss it. It's in that direction.
Just keep swimming.
And now the baby's gonna walk you right past Sydney.
There's a big blue world out there that can make the fish feel small.
They're good.
But the rest of the way, it's not so big at all.
To Sydney!
Wait, lady, one more thing. When you come to this torrent, swim through it, not over it.
Through it, not over it. Got it.
I don't like this trench one bit. You're swimming over it.
Something's telling me we should swim through.
Oh, why do I waste my breath? That way leads to certain death.
Come on, partner, trust me on this. It's what friends do.
Okay, I guess, if you say so. Hey, look, something shiny here. Trench!
Let's go! Ow!
Joey, that's a jellyfish. It's okay. Let's be thankful it was just a little one. Uh-oh.
Hey, watch this.
Dory, I have an idea. Game.
Oh, game. Pick me, pick me.
First one out of the jellyfish without touching the tentacles wins. Ready, have to listen to me. Just keep swimming, stay awake now. Everything will be okay. Just stay with me till we get to
42 Wallaby Way.
right. Sometimes things look bad. Then poof, the moment is gone. And what do?
We just keep swimming.
Wow! Look at this spectacular view! Did your husband deliver, or did he deliver?
Darling, you're gonna wake the kids. We still have to name them. I like Nemo.
Nemo? Well, we can name one Nemo, but I'd like most of them to be Marlin Jr. Who's that? Get inside, Coral. No, Coral, don't go out there. Leave it alone. Coral. No! Coral. Coral! They're there. Daddy's got you. I promise I will never let anything happen to you. Nemo. First day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge. Now what's the one thing we remember before we head out from here?
The ocean's not safe, so we have to check if the coast is clear.
Right. We go out, then back in. And then we go out, and then back in. Now one more time, out, and then back in. Sometimes, if you want to do it 4 times.
Come on!
Okay.
Hey Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark when I was small?
No!
Or an angelfish? Is it true that they have wings?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey Dad, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? I don't know.
Well, Sandy Plankton said they could live to be 100.
Well, if I ever meet one, I'll ask you.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark!
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail. In the big blue world, you're just a little
Come
fish.
on, Dad.
In the big blue world, be seen as a tasty dish.
No.
Means so much to me. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world if something should happen to you.
zones. Let's name the zones of the open sea. I'm aboard, explorers. Who's this?
I'm Nemo.
He's got a little fin. I find if he gets tired, just give him a break. 10, 15 minutes.
Dad.
Don't worry, we're gonna travel as a group.
Nemo, you're such a special kid. Want me to come with you? I'd feel better if I did. Do you remember everything I told you?
Dad, I'll be alright.
I'm aboard, explorers. On time, are you ready? Really ready?
I don't think I'm ready.
We're ready to
You're doing really well for a first time.
I remember I was a mess when my kid first went to the drop-off.
Well, what are you gonna do? You gotta let him go sometime. The drop-off!
Big blood. Look, Dad, we're gonna touch the blood. Oh, Nemo. How far can you go? Well, my dad said that it's unsafe, but if you guys are gonna go,
Nemo! No! You can't be anywhere near here!
how's it going?
You're not ready! I was right. We'll play school again next year.
Dad!
You know you can't swim.
Why, Dad?
You can't? Come on! You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong!
I hate you.
What are you doing? You get back here! You are in big trouble, young man. Do you hear me? Big! Nemo! I'm coming, Nemo! Wait! No! No! Slow down! It's gone! It can't be gone! Has anybody seen a boat? Please! They took my son! I'm coming, Nemo! Light! No, this can't be happening. No, please. Please.
Sorry, sir.
Help! They got my son! They got Nemo! Have you seen the boat?
A boat? I see a boat. Do I know you?
Yes, you were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? I see.
No, we already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Something's wrong with you. Really, you're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico.
Nemo!
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this
You don't need to know. I know what he really says to me.
I'd like to invite you, morsels, to a little party I'm having.
Hey, look, balloons! It is a party.
Mind the distance, though. Wouldn't want one of them to pop. Hey, guy! Chum?
It's about time, mate. I'm starving.
Here, what you bring for us, mate? A couple of tasty bites. Right, then. Our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are free.
Fish are free.
Fish are free. Not food. Though we have lost our teeth, we're nice shacks underneath. We know that fish are free. Not food. Well, sometimes we know. Sure, we could eat you whole, but we have self-control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
The stress of a life in the ocean will lead to emotional eating. When you need help getting quit and kelp just won't do it, then start feeding central healing. Oh yes, we've seen the light. Each day we fight the fight. Take
spelled the same as escape.
Dory, you can read?
I can read. I can read!
The mask!
I've got you in my sight. I'm having this tonight. Some away, not food.
This won't hurt a bit. Well, maybe a little bit. How's the missus? See this little fish? Found him on the reef. Thought he'd make a good present for my niece's birthday on Friday.